There are some people in my family who absolutely hate going to the doctor. I'm not sure if they are afraid what the doctor might do or if they think seeing the doctor is some kind of a weakness, but they delay it as long as they possibly can. So let's say they've got a little pain somewhere, and if you tell them you should go see the doctor, they'll be like, oh no, it's a small pain, it'll go away in a couple of days. Fast forward a few days, and that tiny pain has now turned into a major issue, and they're still putting it off. Finally, when they do rush to the doctor says, you should have come to me sooner. It would have been so much easier to fix this before. If they had just acknowledged the problem earlier, they could have found the solution much sooner and it would have worked a lot better. And guess what? A lot of business owners do the same thing. They refuse to acknowledge that there's a problem. When you ask them how their business is doing, they'll tell you everything is fine. Meanwhile, behind the scenes, their operations are a mess. They've got no work-life balance. They're losing sleep and they are stressed out to the max. But they'll still say it's all under control. This is just a temporary situation. It'll get better. I know what I need to do. Yeah, sure. Here's the thing. If you are too much in love with the way things are right now, nothing is ever going to change. You've got to stop being in denial. Set the ego aside and call a spade if you really want your business to go where it's meant to. We're all in business to make money, but let's be real, money isn't everything. What you really want is that money with a peaceful mind, right? You want that time freedom and stress-free life along with the profits. So let's do a quick audit of your business. Check for these 3 signs and you will know you're on the right track. The first sign, your business runs smoothly without you being involved in daily operations. If you're not there, nobody's calling you every 5 minutes saying, sir, madam, this has happened, that has happened, what do we do now? You're not getting bombarded with questions. Instead, you are focusing on expansion, strategy, and keeping an eye on your profits. The second sign would be that you have complete control over your business, even when you are not there. You know exactly where your raw materials are, how much you need, which customer orders are in process, and which employees have not showed up today. Even if you're not on site, you've got a clear picture of everything happening in your business. The third sign, all of your business information is stored in the form of digital data. You can access insights whenever you want. You're aware of your profit margins, of your markups, how long each job takes, how much time it was supposed to take, and even how much discount you can offer a customer if they are asking for one. All of this is tracked and easy to find. Okay? So if these 3 things aren't happening in your business, then there's a problem. Remember that you need time freedom, control, and insights into your business. And guess what? All of this is possible when you set up systems in your business. If you haven't achieved this yet, don't panic. But also, don't be in denial. Don't let your ego get in the way. If you acknowledge the problem early on, the solution, which is setting up systems, will be much easier to implement. And it will work much better. You've got this. If you've liked what I've talked about, please keep watching these videos. There's lots more where that came from. See you in the next one.